This is how to install your Yakima Showcase cargo box. We've made this really easy. Okay, it's showtime. You will need your cargo box, a roof with crossbars, and a friend. First thing to do, use your SKS key to unlock the box, then open it up. At the bottom of the box, you'll see 2 rails, each with an attachment lever and knob. Loosen the 4 knobs. Don't take them out, just a few turns. And flip back the lever. The attachment clamps should slide back and forth freely. Close the box. Get the friend and put the box on top of the car, with the pointy aerodynamic end in front. Open it up. Adjust each clamp's opening so it will slide around the crossbar, and push your showcase until the backs of the clamps are stopped by the bars. You can also move the clamp itself to fine-tune your placement. You can center it on the rack, or, if you chose a wide enough bar, move it to one side to leave room for a mount. Our site's FAQ page shows what you can carry. Now, make sure it's parallel with your car front to back and level at the bottom. Now tighten each of the knobs, not too tight, and flip the lever to engage the clamp. Make sure the clamp wraps around the bar like this, and isn't just pinching it like this. Once you're done, it's always a good idea to make sure it's on there first, and before each trip, check that the hardware's tight. Then give the box a shove. The car should rock, the box should not. Showcase secure, close it up, or load it and go. Lock it up, listen for the clicks, and be sure to register your SKS key at Yakima.com. Take a look at your instructions for load distribution, weight limit, and tie-down info. Oh, make sure you know how tall your vehicle is with the showcase up there. What used to fit in your garage may not now. Now remember, this was just a video overview. These are your instructions. Read them. They are your guide. If you don't have a printed copy, you can find a PDF on Yakima.com.